So what you can also do is rewrite or polish existing contents using Kimi as well. For example, I have this particular content from Wikipedia. Let me just go ahead and copy paste it out, and I can simply go ahead and say rewrite this and make it simple right here, so that a 5-year, let's say for example, fifth 5th grader can understand this. So you can be more specific right here on how much simpler you want the word to be. So once you go ahead and do that and hit send, then what happens is that it says language is like a special way we talk and write to share our thoughts and feelings. It has rules, grammars, and words, vocabulary that help us say what we mean. We can speak, sign, or write to communicate Languages are different in different places and change over time. They let us make lots of different sentences and talk about things that aren't right in front of us. We learn language from other people and use it because it's what everyone agrees to do. So this is what you have, as you can see, and this is what simplified. So it says language is a structured system of communication, but it says language is a special way we talk and write to share our thoughts. And that is how the Kimi actually rewrote and polished the existing content. If you have any grammar errors as well, it will rectify it right here and give you a sentence like this. And that is how you can rewrite or polish existing content inside of Kimi. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.